Hello, hi guys. Hi Jacqueline, Mohit, and Manoj, sir.
Hi.
Welcome to Pink Villa.
Hi.
Firstly,
Thank
I
Hi,
saw the
you.
hi,
trailer.
hi.
It looked amazing. So I wanted to know because there's just so much action and we are on edge completely while watching the trailer. What was the first thing that really intrigued you when you were told the script and when the script was narrated to you? We'll start with Mohit first.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Go,
So,
Mohit, go.
the first thing, yeah, for me, it was obviously an amalgamation of a lot of things. I was getting a chance to work with National Award winner Mr. Manoj Ajpai. I was getting to work with Jacqueline and Netflix and Shirish. I've been a huge fan of his work in Janeman. I love Janeman. And getting to be in this story, which is primarily about a female who's trying to get justice for herself and for her husband. And I play a cop, Imran
What?
Shahid, who wants to get the culprit. And yeah, so I had all the reasons to be a part of this.
Right, Jacqueline, what about you? Because you seem to be doing a lot of action in the trailer. I mean, uh, we have seen a never seen before side of you in this, and I'm really intrigued to
Yeah.
watch you. Yeah. So
Oh,
what is it
thank
that
you.
intrigued you?
Well, that actually intrigued me. The fact that like this character has so much dimension like in her character, and for possibly the first time ever, I was able to kind of, you know, play something pretty negative and dark and kind of twisted, and but also embodying true, I think, human representation, because like we all have our sides to us, like different sides, and I was just able to kind of like bring these out through this lady's story. And so that really kind of just, the fact that it would always have my audiences thinking, because that sometimes you almost, empathize with her and you justify her, and at sometimes you're like, oh God, she's, she's kind of crazy because she has to actually replicate a murder, and it just comes out of nowhere. You don't expect it from this type of a character, which seems relatively normal. So yeah, I think like for me it was about that kind of a challenge, and how I've never done something like this before. I've never played such a character or represented such a character, and I really wanted to know and understand what that was like. So it was a huge challenge, but something that really excited me as well.
Right. What about you, Manotsa? Because we've always seen you play very different characters, and this is yet again like another feather in the cap, I would say.
Okay, Shirish and me worked together, for a short film, Kriti, long back. I enjoyed working with him in that short film. Um, when he was making this film was far more important because uh, in Kriti he has shown a lot of genius, and in this one he's really going to put a stamp of his visual sense, his sense of uh, crafting a fantastic, thriller. He's going to, he's really going to surprise people with the
Yeah,
genius that
I
he
agree.
is when it comes to crafting this kind of a script.
But Jacqueline, my question is to you next, because you are seen doing such edgy. This is the first time I'm seeing you performing such an edgy role. You're going to an extreme length to make sure that you prove your husband, non guilty, and
Yeah.
but in real life, if Jackie, I mean, I can only imagine it takes a lot of. I mean, you really must have loved him so much in the film to go to that length to ensure that happens. In
And
real life,
I
if I
love
have
him in real life also. I love Manoj in real life also.
no, but in real
Love
life,
you, Jackie.
in real life,
He's the best.
what is that one thing for whom would you go to that length, to that extreme length, if at all?
I think that we
No one.
tend to do.
Mohit.
Manoj, you can't be so honest also, na? My mom, my dad, my brothers, my sister. Uh, but it is an extremely difficult thing to do. Like honestly, like I agree with Manoj. It's very difficult.
So what is okay, Jacqueline? I'll also ask.
He's very wise, you know. He's extremely wise, and like, I mean, like it seems like, oh yeah, you'll go through certain heights for certain people, but I'm pretty sure when push comes to shove, it's something you will definitely reconsider, like you know.
Right.
Yeah.
So what is, because this is again like you mentioned that it is a dark character, so to say. What is the dark side within? You have to go to, you have to find it within yourself to let it look convincing on screen as well. So this question is to all of
Mm.
you actually. But starting with Jacqueline here, what was that side in you which you touched upon so that you could look that convincingly dark on screen?
To get into that dark space, that was actually very very difficult for me because to perform, I think, like certain emotions and stuff like that, like you actually have to understand them, and you also have to have gone through them. So like certain things for me were very difficult, like the aggression and the um certain amounts of pain as well, and certain amounts of fear. But I think like when I was prepping for this character as well, it just really became about like emphasizing, things that possibly like I had gone through, but emphasizing them like by 100. And that was extremely challenging, to continuously do that because throughout the film, there is just so much struggle and so much conflict, like in every single scene for this character. There's never really a happy moment. It's very fleeting. So but yeah, it just took, and I think like, we shot continuously for 2 months, and because we were daily shooting, it just became like, okay, fine, just stay in this zone of inner conflict and like aggression, and also I think like when you're gunning for something, the lengths that you would go to for something, so understanding what that is in your life, like what is that one thing that you would go through every single length, like to achieve and to get, and because that was pretty much like what she was aiming for, what she was gunning for. She had to prove her husband innocent, and so it was finding what that meant for me as well. Mohit?
Well, I think personally for me, I think, if I have to sum it up in one line, what I think is the stories like these where you have to like trust the characters and where you don't really want to completely trust them also. It comes to a point where they say looks are deceptive, you know. So you really don't know who's right and who's wrong, and who's wrong and who's right. So to get that
Mm.
line was a little tricky and difficult for me. So getting that emotion of angst, fear, sorrow, and to get that thin line where you want to show that you are uh, on your side or you're on the positive side, but you can be on the other side. So to get that part correctly was a tricky thing for me.
Okay, and what about you, Manoj? Sir?
Oh, see, I personally feel that each and every one of us has all the shades, It's just that the percentage of it is very, very different, Uh, we actors, that way are forced to work on those areas which are completely unknown to us, and sometimes we are completely unaware of. Uh, to really find those spots and take it out, as the main element of it is as Mohit said, it's a very difficult thing, and still make it look, human, still make it look real. uh, uh, Sticking to the part, sticking to the emotion is very important without overdoing it. When you are not overdoing it
Yeah.
and you're still making it look very human and real, no, none of the audience members, will be able to really gauge who is doing what, and then you have the liberty of really surprising them in the end. But me in this, I was given this part, very happy part to play. I'm a happy puppy in this one. I'm a good husband.
Okay, right. On a parting note, I want to know because as we all know, web is flourishing right now. It is doing extremely well. But I was just speaking to Supriya Pathak ma'am recently, and she mentioned that somehow we are getting into the zone wherein web content is seeming similar in our space. I mean, in our from our end of the world.
Mhm.
Do you agree with it? Each one of you, starting with Mohit again.
No, I don't think I would agree with that, because as far as what I have seen, there are so many genres to watch. Like in my during this time of lockdown, I have kept like 3 hours. 1 hour is for viewing with my mother, so I watch different kind of shows with her. And for me, I watch thrilling shows in the in the night, and then whenever I'm feeling a little low or I want to be happy, I watch something else. So I think that there's lots and lots of to watch.
Mm.
Right.
I
What about
agree,
you, Jack?
actually. Yeah. No, I completely
See,
agree.
I mean,
There's like there's so
see, if you're talking about India, it's still, I mean, there are too many shows. There is always a fear of sticking to a pattern, which is, overpowering globally.
mm,
But as Mohit was saying, you have variety of shows. You just have to dig it up. You just have to dig it up, and it's all there. Sometime I get completely fed up of fiction. Then I should switch on to documentaries. They
yes,
they are
yeah.
such eye-opening thing. And then you go back, go to some other genre, try to dig it up there. Yes, there is a hard work because there is a clutter. You have to work a little harder. Find your show. You will
And
find your content
but
there.
like and also it's like I feel like this is just the beginning. Like we are just starting off, and it's just going to get more and more interesting. It's just the content's going to become so much more diverse. Like even within India, I mean, there's an influx of like new directors, new actors, different content. This is just actually the beginning. It's going to start getting, I mean,
That's the beginning. Yeah,
def
that's the beginning.
yeah, yeah,
And
yeah.
I'm sorry to interrupt, Jacqueline, but I
No,
personally feel that it's a great time for
yeah,
all the professionals. It's
yeah,
an open field for everyone
it
without
is.
depending on the media hype, without depending on the
Yes,
on the box office. You have an open field. You get a part, play it well, and be noticed, be counted. So, and for any
yep,
department, it's such a happy feeling when I see so many people, so talented people, young guys getting job, and
yep.
working day night. It's a good feeling as a industry person. That gives me a great joy when I see talents being consumed.
Yep,
Yes.
exactly. Exactly. Yes.
Okay, great. Thank you. Thank you so much, guys, and all the very, very best for Mrs. Serial Killer. I am intrigued. I would definitely watch it, and I'm sure a lot of
Thank
people
you.
like me would love to watch it. Thank you, and all the very best.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
Thank you
you.
so
you.
much, Bhavna.
Thanks.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
thank you.